How to delete Facebook page on desktop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete a Facebook page within the browser on any desktop, laptop, computer, Chromebook, Mac, anything like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up a browser, navigate to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, go open to the top right and select your profile image. And then in the menu here, you should see the profile for the page that you want to delete. If you don't, select See All Profiles and just select that profile. So this will switch us to the profile for that page that we're going to delete. And you should see the Facebook page name up in the top left. So once we're switched to that page, go over, select the Facebook page name, and then from here, go down and select Settings in the left menu. All we need to do under the Settings and Privacy is scroll down until we get to Your Information, select Access and Control, and then this is where we can either deactivate our Facebook page, which is temporary, or we can delete our Facebook page. So if we want to permanently delete it, select that, select Continue. You can download the information from that Facebook page, go ahead and select Continue, and then enter the password for your Facebook account. Once you do that, select Continue, and they may ask you to confirm one more time, but your Facebook page will then be permanently deleted. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.